Hello traders, my name is Yaroslav Burchenko and together with Olymtrade we bring you the trade hack of the day. Right now we are looking at the S&P 500 index and what we have is a return to a very strong line at 281. Now this level has been a level of resistance over the last 3 quarters and we are now looking forward a breakout to the top, and our indicators put together show us some really strong buy signals. Now here during this crossover of the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA, keep in mind this is a 50 exponential moving average, the blue line, and that is a really actually long period. A lot of short-term traders trade using the 22 or the 12, but here we have the 50 and 200. So when they cross over, you better believe that it is a change of trend, that we are going down. Now it crossed over last week during this big bearish candle that we had, and the price kept falling down, and we had the confirmation from the parabolic SAR. If you can see these light blue dots, dark blue dots on the graph, whereas now here we have 2 dots from the parabolic SAR that indicate we could be going higher. So these 2 candles, also the gaps that we've been having all week, each new day starts with a gap higher than it did before. So this to us is a huge indication that we are moving up. Now the economic backdrop in the United States is mixed, but in general the things that we see the chart drawing us is a good indication that we could very well break over on Monday and continue. Now I would like to keep your mind on the fact that Friday, which we have today, this last candle, is more of a correctionary day where whatever the initial move that we had gets faded in the opposite direction. So don't be surprised if the S&P 500 drops down below, but as long as we stay above 278, we should still remain bullish. So you can put your stop losses below Thursday's candle right here, Wednesday's, and the closest point that we have for a take profit would be somewhere around at 286, somewhere around these levels that we've had right here. So all in all, this is going to be a good trade. You can take one of 2 options. The first option, as soon as we have a large green candle, you can enter as soon as you see it drawn, or you can wait for a break and then a retest. But the fact that we have no resistance levels close in this area up here, it could indicate that the candle that we have, it could be as big as this one on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you could miss a move altogether. Now, out of the fundamental factors, we have a lot of things out of the way. The Federal Reserve with Jerome Powell, they have come out and said that they will not be raising interest rates and that perhaps they were a little bit too speedy. But they also added that there's an economic slowdown in the United States. It's actually across the whole world, but nonetheless, it is also very prevalent in the United States. Now also on Wednesday, March 20th, we have an interest rate decision and an FOMC press conference. That can give us a little bit more guidance on what's going to happen in the economy. But other than that, it should be clear sailing until Wednesday. So this could be a great trade whether you're trading options or the Forex indices. So my name is Yaroslav. This has been the Trade Hack of the Day with Olymtrade. I wish you guys good luck trading out there.